Welcome back to the Ruck Shop's YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be installing the TRS Slim Strip LED taillight with integrated sweeping directional blinkers. This also has a flashing brake light feature. We've been testing this model for about 6 months now, and it's been great. The light is super bright. The blinkers are definitely noticeable. We'll go ahead and open up this box. So when you receive it, it's going to look similar to this in the packaging. It's going to show that it's been quality control checked. We go through every light 2 times to make sure everything's good. When you open up the box, you're going to get the 4 fasteners. These are stainless steel bolts for underneath the seat. And then you will get the light with the bracket. You'll see here it is. It has a white housing. Seems to be a lot brighter now instead of the smoke, so a lot of people were asking about a brighter light, so this is what we had found to work best, and it's a super clean look. So this is a fairly easy install. We'll go over it here. You can see there's 4 holes in the plate. That's for the 4 bolts. It's going to bolt right up to the factory seat frame. So this seat, when we were doing our testing, we already have the holes there. You could do it by hand because they are self-tapping screws, or you can use a small drill bit. We'd recommend using maybe like a small pilot bit just to make it easier for the screws to go in. But what you do is you just line it up on the seat. You're going to want it so that the bend of it follows the flow of the seat, just like that. So you can move it side to side until you find what works best. Ours, we already have the spot, so we know where it fits the best. We'll go ahead and use the 4 self-tapping bolts and mount that in. So now that that's installed, like I said, it's a very easy install. You can go ahead and we'll flip the seat over. Now you can see what it looks like mounted on the seat. So with this setup, we do have the wiring for it in the description for the product, but we'll go over it again right now. This is going to come with 5 wires. You're going to have a black, a red, 2 yellows, and a blue. The black is going to be your ground, so it's going to be the negative. So we're just going to put this temporarily to a battery. Now the red is going to be your running light. The cool feature about this bike is when you put it on, it does like a loading phase. Then the blue is going to be your brake light, so it's going to be a flashing, pulsing brake light just like that. And then both yellows are going to be blinkers, so you'll just have to hook it up and see which one. That one's going to be your left blinker, and this one's going to be your right blinker. And then it goes right back to your running light. As you can see, that running light is very bright, so it's a lot brighter than the previous one. We're very happy with this. It's been tested now for about 6 months on the road. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to email us at info@theruckshop.com. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.